Very nice job of race walking in class today, guys. Now we're going to take a look at, or just a reminder of how to use Excel so that you can quickly get your experimental speeds and your theoretical speeds, and also quickly scatter plot them without having to do it by hand. So if we take a look at the experimental speed first, remember that speed is your total distance, so 60 feet, divided by your time. So up in the function window, notice you have f of x up here. I'm going to type equals 60 divided by, and then I'm going to click on the cell, the first cell for the time. When I do this and hit enter, there's my first experimental speed, 11.5 feet per second. Now, in Microsoft Excel, it's really easy to copy that function for all of your cells. All you have to do is just drag that box down, and it will quickly calculate your experimental speeds for each person. Your theoretical speed was based on the equation that was given to you on your worksheet today. Remember, that was the square root, SQRT, of 386 times. Make sure that when you type this in on your computers, you include the star there for multiplication, times the leg length, and then you close your parentheses and divide by 12. So there's the theoretical speed, and this person apparently was walking a little over their theoretical max. Again, to copy and paste here, you just pull the box down, and it will apply that function to all of your data points. Now, if you want to scatter plot this, you are asked to graph length versus experimental speed and length versus theoretical speed. So to do this, I'm going to highlight my leg lengths, and then I'm going to hold Control while I highlight my experimental speeds. And then I'm going to hold Control again while I highlight my theoretical speeds. Once I do this, I'm going to go to Insert, Scatter Plot, and choose the scatter that doesn't have any lines connected with it. And now I get a nice scatter plot where the red is my theoretical data and the blue is my experimental. I can then right-click, copy, go into my Microsoft Word document or whatever program you're using to write, and I can paste this scatter plot into my report. So you don't have to spend a whole bunch of time over the weekend graphing this by hand. You can graph it on Microsoft Excel and then paste it into your report. Remember that this project is due on Monday, and it's essential that we have nearly everyone complete it, except for those people that were absent today, so that we can discuss it in class on Monday. So come to class with a hard copy of your report in hand. Thank you. Have a good weekend.